TIMNS 568C2 provides specifications for video cables installed in residential walls. These cables must meet certain requirements to ensure proper signal performance, safety, and durability. Firstly, the cable type must be Category 6 or higher. Category 6 cables are designed to support gigabit Ethernet and other higher bandwidth applications, providing sufficient bandwidth for video signals. Secondly, the cable should be plenum rated. Plenum rated cables are specifically designed for installation in air handling spaces, such as above ceilings and in walls. These cables are made with materials that produce less smoke and are more fire resistant compared to non-plenum rated cables. Using plenum rated cables helps to prevent the spread of fire and toxic fumes in the event of a fire. Thirdly, the cable should be shielded. Shielded cables have an extra layer of protection, typically a metallic foil or braid, around the conductors. The shielding helps to prevent electromagnetic interference, or EMI, which can degrade the video signal quality. EMI can come from various sources, such as electrical appliances, lighting fixtures, and other electronic devices. Fourthly, the cable should have a solid core. Solid core cables use a single, solid conductor for each wire, whereas stranded cables use multiple strands of wire twisted together. Solid core cables provide better signal performance and are more durable compared to stranded cables, especially for longer runs. The length of the cable is limited to 100 meters, which is approximately 328 feet. This length limitation is to ensure that the video signal does not degrade excessively over the distance. Exceeding this length may result in signal loss or distortion. In summary, when installing video cables in residential walls, it's important to use Category 6 or higher cables that are plenum rated, shielded, and solid core, with a maximum length of 100 meters. These requirements ensure that the video signal is transmitted reliably and safely. Failure to comply with these requirements may result in poor video quality, signal loss, or fire hazards. It is crucial to adhere to the specifications outlined in DIMNS 568C2 to maintain the safety and functionality of the video cabling system in a residential setting. Also, it is essential to consult local building codes and regulations to ensure compliance with all applicable requirements for residential wiring. Proper installation of video cables in walls contributes to a safe and reliable home entertainment system. By choosing the right type of cable and following the recommended installation practices, you can ensure optimal video quality and minimize the risk of any potential issues.